Wondering if the Nikon Z30's battery will keep up with your creative adventures? Let's dive into the heart of the Z30's power. Its EN-EL25a battery. Nikon rates it for approximately 330 shots using the LCD screen, or 300 shots using the electronic viewfinder. However, real-world usage, especially for video recording at 4K, will naturally consume power faster. Expect anywhere from 1 to 2 hours of continuous video recording depending on your settings like resolution, frame rate, and whether you're using Wi-Fi. Charging is conveniently done via USB-C, either directly in the camera or using the included Nikon Z30 battery charger. A full charge typically takes around 25 hours. You can even charge the battery while it's inside the camera, allowing you to top it up between shooting sessions with a power bank or wall adapter. To squeeze out every drop of juice, explore the camera's power-saving settings. You can adjust the monitor off timer, meaning how long the screen stays on before automatically switching off. Also, consider disabling features you're not actively using, like the Wi-Fi connection when you're not transferring files, as these can be silent battery drains. For extended shooting days or travel, investing in a spare EN-EL25a battery is a wise move. Having a backup ensures you won't miss those crucial moments. Combine that with our learned power-saving habits, and you'll find the Nikon Z30's battery performance is perfectly manageable for most creators. So, plan your shoots, manage your settings, and carry a spare, and the Nikon Z30 will confidently power your creativity.